Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Sliderocket presentation into a Google presentation. So the process starts by first going into your Sliderocket account. Once you're there, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the presentation you would like to download. So I'm going to click on this one, for instance. And once you're to the main page for your presentation, with the tabs that are right here on the left side of the screen, look for Download. So here's Download, and the version you want to choose is a PowerPoint file because it's the only type that is editable. So I'm going to click PowerPoint, and it's going to go ahead and go through the process of exporting out your presentation. And if you don't want to wait, you can click Continue Working and it'll notify you via email, but usually it's a pretty quick process as long as your presentation wasn't huge. So here's mine. I'm going to click OK. And so what it's doing is it's downloading my file. And so that was the first step, is just downloading it from Sliderocket as a PowerPoint file. But now what I need to do is I need to open it up in PowerPoint and convert it to the old version of PowerPoint because that's what will work well with Google Presentation. So I'm going to go up to the word File and I'm going to choose Save As. And I'm going to choose my desktop just so that it's an easy place for me to find. And where it says Format here, I want to choose the one that says .ppt. There's no X after it. And so on a Mac it says PowerPoint 97 to 2004, and I believe on a PC it says PowerPoint 97 to 2003. So I'm going to click on that particular file type, click Save, and so now it's actually saving my presentation as the old version of PowerPoint. I can go ahead and quit PowerPoint because I don't need it anymore. And now, so step 1 was exporting out of Sliderocket, step 2 was converting it in PowerPoint, and then step 3 is actually uploading it into Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself into Google Drive. Here we go. And once I'm in Google Drive, what I'm looking for is the upload icon, which is right next to Create. And I'm going to click on Upload. I'm going to choose Files. And I'm going to look on my desktop for that file. Here it is. And click Open. And this little box is going to pop up that's going to ask me what I want to do with my document. And so I want to make sure I convert it. And it's the first box that's checked. This is Convert Documents, Presentations, Spreadsheets, and Drawings to the corresponding Google Docs format. And I'm going to hit Start Upload. And it's actually going to upload it for me and convert it. So there we go, and it's showing right up here at the top. So now when I click on that presentation, I'm going to open it up in Google Presentation, and my text should be roughly in the same place along with whatever images I used in my presentation. If you used any videos from YouTube, you're going to need to go find those videos on YouTube and add them back in Google Presentation. And that can actually be done under Insert Video. And then when you open that up, it's going to ask for either search YouTube or provide the exact URL to the video. Also, it could be that your font has changed a little bit, so you might take a look at your fonts and see how they are all set up. So basically, that's the process, though, for getting it from Sliderocket to Google Presentation. So we download it, we convert it to the old version of PowerPoint, and then we upload it into Google Presentation and make sure that it converts it to a Google slide. If you want to now, let's say, embed it in your portfolio, if you're maybe one of our 8th grade students or a senior getting ready for senior project, what you need to do in Google Presentation is go ahead and click on the blue button Share on the right and change this to probably anyone with link, or people in a Thomas Charter School with link. I'm going to choose that one and click Save. And sorry, it meant they can view it. You want to make sure they can view it. And click Save. That's the first thing I need to do. The second thing I need to do is on my website, let's say this is my portfolio site, click on the pencil to load the editor. Go up to the word Insert and navigate over to Drive, and it's a presentation. And it'll search your Google presentation for the most recent presentations. So I'm going to click on that one. Click Select, and I'll just leave the settings as they are and click Save. And so here's that gray box with my presentation inside of it. And if I press this blue Save button, this is what my presentation will actually look like on my website now as a Google presentation instead of a Sliderocket. So anyway, that's just a short tutorial for how to download your Sliderockets and turn them into Google presentations. Please let me know if you have any questions.